Alright, so this is the sort of like a review slash unboxing of the IQOS. I got this in Japan, so they give me this little pamphlet. I'm not going to show you at the back because it's a little IQ scanner really thingy. Like, I don't know what it does, but yeah. All you can see here, it is a multi-tobacco heating system, 10 executive moments. And then this is the new IQOS 3, flexible and convenient. So this is the 3rd gen, basically. So this is an overview of the box. It's really nothing like very special. It's just like a normal box. Then this is the size of the IQOS, and then this is pretty much it. And then if you want to unbox it, you have to like slide this little thing off. And within this box, which you have to slide open, I took out the IQOS, but there is a welcome to IQOS guide. And then when you pull this little tab open, there is a little bit cleaner like this. So the cleaner pops open like this, so it's just what you insert the IQOS here and you just twist it and then it cleans. But it's not a very, how do I say this, a very good proper cleaner thing, you know. It's not a very good for cleaning. That's why they have this, cleaning sticks. So basically these are just sticks that help you like swab out your little IQOS thing. You can see at the back. So these are the little sticks. They have 10 sticks for you to clean, which I will demonstrate later. But this is the basics for the cleaning kit, and that is the basic cleaning kit itself. And if you lift up this little button right here, there is a charger, which I took out also. And then this is the serial number. It says you have to be 20 and above. And then this is the things that it's included: the stick, the IQOS, the USB, the charger, and then the IQOS itself. The thing with the 3rd gen, I will get into it later. So this is really nothing much, but it's just like you could send a letter, and then they paid the postage for you. It's all in Japanese, so that's practically nothing much. But this is included. It's like a little like a 1-year warranty and stuff when you buy it. They say what to do, what not to do. It's all in Japanese. And then this is the color that it comes in. It has like blue, green, light purple, dark purple, pink, and red and black. And mine is the most plain one, the white one. And then this is the instructions that it came with, which is just hold which I'll get into later. So what you have here is the tobacco. You have to pay for it. It's different in every country, so I'm not going to go into it. But you have to say for the IQOS, and it comes in little 2 packs, 10 each. And this is the IQOS machine itself, which I'll get into how to use it. But this is where you insert the tobacco, and this is it. So how to use it is pretty simple. So you just basically insert this little thing down inside, like this. It's a little bit tough at the first time, and then you just hold it till there's a blinking light, press and hold, and you can see you just have to wait for a double vibration to say it's ready. I don't know if you can see me that well, but once the double vibration is ready, you could basically do is that the light will stop blinking, and you could just smoke it. It's very simple, and I have to go outside to smoke, but basically it's just like this. Very simple, very less smoke. It tastes like it's very synthetic, if I have to say and give a review about it. It doesn't taste very natural. It tastes very odd, and it's just very weird feeling in general. I used to smoke traditional tobacco, like cigarettes. This felt like it has like no impurities, just less tar, and just nicotine itself. So basically it's just no more chemicals, no added things, but it has about 0.5 milligrams of nicotine and 0.005 milligrams of tar. That's at least what the website says. Basically once it's finished, it will give you a double vibration, and then you just have to pull this thing out. Pulling it out is actually quite simple, just like this, but sometimes you will notice that this is empty. So you have to like throw this away firstly, and then give this. This is detachable, by the way, so you have to pull it up, and then you can see there's a tobacco in it. Don't know if you could really see it, but yeah, I'll just try to like put it in my hand or something. You can just see like this. This is the burnt tobacco, so I have to throw that away too. And basically this is just detachable, and then they want you to cotton swab this thing and this thing. And cleaning of the IQOS is pretty simple. If you run out of like cotton swabs, you can just use this. Basically just insert it like this and just twist it like this, you know. and it should be cleaned, right? If not, you could use the cotton swabs they provide. So pulling up the cotton swab is a double-sided swab, as you can see, then you just have to like go one round or something. You have to clean the very thermal tip, so make sure you don't break the little tip inside. Once you open an ICOS or something, you will understand. So just just go have a gentle cleaning. You can see it's already like dark and stuff, so just clean the sides. It doesn't really hurt, so just clean it. A very thorough cleaning, and then it gets really dark, and that's all the tar that is from it, so it gets really dirty, gets all clustered up. And if you don't clean it very well, the review says that a lot of people have like this burnt taste. So maybe clean it like once a month or something, depends on how heavy of a smoker you are. And then this other side, right, which is clean, you should just do like a quick swab. Quick swab. This really doesn't have anything, by the way, but just give it a quick swab at the side, at the front, and then you have like this. So that's practically it for the ICOS, and then this thing will just automatically close itself. It's magnetic. So thank you guys for watching.